Hello my dear friends. I begin this video by saying that this material is from 2023. I went through my footage and found these videos of our beloved Dalmatian Onni, who passed away over a year ago. These videos are from May and she passed away October the same year. I miss her so much. She is the one with these brown dots and she was a big personality. I want to show this material as a memory for her. The other Dalmatian is Aino, the black dot one, and still well and alive. She's gonna be 8 years old on February. At the end of this video I make empanada pie, the Finnish traditional Kalakukko in Spanish style. Let's make empanada Finnish Kalakukko in Spanish style. Ingredients for the inner part are 2 cans of tuna, tomato sauce can, few leaves of basil, 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic, corn, spices and salt and few olives. First add the corn and tuna. Then add tomato sauce. Mix them well. Then take the olives, cut them in pieces. Cut the onions and garlic cloves. Mix the ingredients well. Take the leaves of basil and cut them in pieces. Add also salt, black pepper, tarragon and marjoram. Take 2 sheets of baking paper for the 2 butters. I use ready from grocery store butters. I use the butter for pies. Them are round already from the beginning. Roll the 2 butters to a round shape so that them fit in a baking paper. Add the bowl of ingredient mix to the butter. Spread the mix almost to the edge. Leave about 3 cm to attack the other butter as a cover. Use egg or, for example, oat milk, which I use to attack the butters. Take the other butter and put it as a cover. Press the sides together and roll the side one time and press the side again to get a solid fastening. Press the sides one more time with a fork. Then the pie is ready to go for the oven. Put your empanada pie in an oven for an hour. Use the temperature of 175 Celsius degrees. Then enjoy your empanada, ready empanada with coffee or milk or something you like. Yummy, yummy, it's good. You have to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.